The first talkie.
Alamara.
Alamara. In which year?
1930.
31. You are just exchange the numbers. One is 30, the other one is 31. 1 and 3 exchange. Alamara. Right. Okay. So this is actually the history of. Initially, film was just a visual kind. Then sound was later added. I mentioned sound because sound is very important in films. In our popular films, there are different kinds of films, like which I have shown you is a documentary kind, which you are mentioning is a popular films around between 2 hours to 2.5 hours, lengthy films. It's called commercial films, popular films. The festival here, you can see maybe 100 and more films, short films as well as documentary films, which deals with a lot of issues, not just the popular thing which you are actually watching. Okay, so you have a audiographer now. Sound is very, very, very important. Because we watched a film on Amey Ghosh, the photographer of Satyajit Ray, and I don't want to talk much about Satyajit Ray because you might be studying some of his films. Have you seen Pathir Panjali? You haven't watched? Yes. Then ask your teachers for watching it. For screening. It's an Indian classic. You have to. It's a story of two little kids. Maybe you have heard about the little kid called Appu. It's the story of Appu, and you have to watch it. Pathir Panjali, right? You're all from the same school? No, you're from different schools. So when you go home today, just click YouTube. You use YouTube's. Parents are very strict these days, not to use YouTube's or any of that sort. So anyway, you make a request to your parents. Father, mother, I want to watch Pathir Panchali. Right? It's an amazing film. It's on kids like you. The film is focusing on kids like you.